Hi guys, welcome to the Declan channel. In today's video, we are making those very cute Grinchmas shirt for less than $8. Yes guys, less than $8. So guys, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and like the video. Guys, so for this Grinchmas shirt, I bought those iron-on patches on Amazon for $7.99, and I had those t-shirts at home. Those are my baby's t-shirts, so I'm making this for the school so they can wear on the Grinchmas day. Okay, so the patches comes in those are three patches, and it comes with an instruction manual on it also attached to it. So I never ironed on a patch on a shirt before, so I tried to figure which side is better and how to do it. So I read the instruction manual that you see. They ask to have something at the bottom of the shirt you want to iron, to have an iron, and to place your iron-on patch on the shirt. And when it's time to iron, we have to iron for 8 to 10 seconds. So yes, like I'm trying to figure out the side. You see, the side is a little, the material is not like sleek. So the slicker part is the part you have to iron on. So I position my patch and I iron it on. I iron it for like a minute or so. So I didn't follow the instruction manual. That's say 8 to 10 seconds. I did it for a minute to make sure that, I'm not messing up anything. All right. And when I was done with the first shirt, I repeated the same thing on the second shirt. So guys, we are done ironing the first shirt. This is how it looks like, and we are going to iron our iron-on patch on the other shirt. So guys, we are at the end of the video. You see how the shirts turned out great. For $7.99, I have two Grinchmas or the Grinch shirts. So the kids are going to use it for the Grinch day at school. My girl is going to wear the yellow and my boy is going to wear the green one. Guys, one Grinch shirt on Amazon goes for like, the cheapest is $15. So with $7.99, you have two, and you can use any type of iron-on you want for any type of project you want. So guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope you will try it at home for yourself or for the kids. Bye bye.